Hi everyone, Assalamualaikum and welcome back to my channel. Hi, if you are new, my name is Arina, and if you are coming back, I hope you all are doing well. So in today's video, I am going to do a foundation review. It's from the brand Revlon Photoready Candid Water Essence Compact Foundation. This is a cushion foundation. I think this is only available in Asian countries such as Malaysia, Singapore. I'm sure Japan and Korea also have this one because this product was made in Korea. And Korean makeup is well known for their lack of inclusivity. I think the shade range caters to the lighter spectrum of skin tone. That includes this Revlon Photoready Candid. I think that's why they don't market this in the Western country. Actually, I got this for a giveaway price and I did request for the darkest shade. I think it's called Honey Beige, but they sent me shade number 2, which is vanilla, and I have a feeling this won't match my skin tone and it's gonna be very light against my medium tan skin. We have to really bronze the face today so that I won't be looking stark white. So this is how the packaging looks like. So pretty. It has like that millennial peachy pink kind of tone. At the back is the shade name and the amount of product you will receive, which is 16 gram of product, and the inside looks like this. The standard cushion foundation component. You got the puff, and this is how it looks like inside. So this is what the inside looks like. As you can see, it's super pretty because this is kind of like a foundations plus skincare product. It has water essence or something. Before I ruin this texture or this pattern, this cushion foundation does contains SPF 50 PA++, but still wear your sunscreen even if your makeup product has SPF in it. The skincare ingredient here is the licorice root extract, which happens to be a great source of antioxidant and also can help combat with acne and breakout. As far as my skin goes, I already have my skincare and also sunscreen down. Okay, now I'm going to prime my face using the Catrice Prime and Fine Keep Me Matte Primer. This foundation is water-based, but I just feel like I want to use this primer today. Basically all over my face. Okay, face is prime. I'm gonna go in with this foundation. I usually don't like the puff that any cushion foundation comes with, but we're gonna use this on one side, and on the other side I'm gonna use the Tati Beauty Blendiful, the mini one. So I'm just going to read to you guys there's some information about this cushion foundation. It says here, give your skin a healthy looking glow with this moisture infused foundation with convenient, portable, compact, light buildable coverage, natural finish with the vitamin E, antioxidants and anti-pollutant ingredients. It is formulated without fragrance or synthetic dyes. I love when makeup products exclude fragrance. So it says here how to use it. Swipe sponge across product. So that is what I'm going to do. Let's ruin this. Oh, it's not watery. I am so surprised that it retained the pattern on that, even though I keep swirling in this. This is actually not a liquidy formula. It's a solid, slippery kind of texture. This is not what I expected. So I'm just going to use the puff on this side. So this is how the color looks like. Of course, it doesn't match my skin tone. So it says that it is light to buildable coverage. I am not a fan of this free puff because as I keep building the coverage or keep applying the product, it kind of leaves a mark on my face. I think you can see that. It picks it up and it leaves a mark, and it doesn't even out the product on my skin. So I'm gonna do half of my face using this sponge. So this is what it looks like. I like the coverage. Before I apply the foundation on this side, I just want to move closer to the lens so that you guys can see the finish of this foundation. I have bright lights in front of me, so that's why you see that this foundation is super dewy. But I thought that it will be dewier than what it is right now. So I am going to do the same thing, swirling these tools on here, and it does pick it up like that. I do have some dark blemishes on this side, so we'll see how it covers that. Okay, this is what this side looks like. I think I prefer applying it with the Blendiful because I don't have to go over it and fix the puff mark like what this one did. I feel like it is not the smoothest texture ever. I have to formulate my final thoughts when I finish up my makeup, so this is how it looks like so far. I definitely prefer applying it with the Blendiful or any other tools than this sponge. So this is how the foundation looks like after I set it with the loose powder. I haven't applied the bronzer, blusher and highlight or set my face yet with a setting spray, but this is how it's looking so far. I did apply a tinted powder because I feel like the foundation shade is just outrageous. It's not my skin tone, so I don't want to look ghostly. So yeah, I did put on a tinted powder, but it didn't adjust the coverage that much. After I set it, it does look matte, but I don't know how it will wear off because when I first apply it, it is not a very dewy or very wet looking foundation like most Korean foundation is, but this one doesn't feel like that. It just feels like from a stick foundation, if you know what I mean, because this foundation itself inside, the texture is not liquid. It's not liquid, you guys, and the foundation itself is not too dewy, and after I set it with the loose powder, it does take away the dewiness, no shine at all. It's pretty much looking matte right now, so I'm going to balance out this face by using a bronzer and also other products on top, and I'll be right back to show you guys how it looks. Okay, I finished up my makeup and the foundation still looks light in shades, and I did put on a darker bronzer, but it still wouldn't fix it. And I think you can tell from the viewfinder I see myself a bit ghostly, but yeah, it is the best that I can do. Right now it's 6:38 p.m. I don't know if I'm able to do a wear test or not, but if I did, I will come back at the end of this video. But right now this is how it's looking. It's pretty much matte. This foundation doesn't give off any dewiness before I set it with a setting spray, which I'm about to do right now. So I'm going to use my trusted Smashbox primer water. Okay, I'm gonna let that dry down and I'll come back to give you guys my final verdict. Okay guys, this is the end of the check-in. I am going to take off this makeup. Let's say the cut-off time is 10 p.m. so I've been wearing this for around 4 hours or something like that. And for a cushion foundation, it is quite impressive because I don't have any breakouts, and surprisingly I don't look shiny at all. Like, yeah, you can see some shine there, but I expect a cushion foundation to look super duper shiny on my combination skin. So I would say that this foundation is suitable for a combination to oily, or maybe oily people can also try this. But then again, I hope they expand their shade range. So that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching until the end. I hope this foundation review is helpful for you. I just hope they widen their shade range, especially the dark deep skin tones. That is what lacking with Korean makeup cosmetics line. So thank you so much for watching. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, I appreciate if you can subscribe because I do a lot of makeup tutorial reviews and hauls. Take care, and I hope I see you guys in my next one. Bye. Assalamualaikum.